Class 10, Chapter 12, Applications of Trigonometry, Exercise 2, 8th problem. For remaining problem, you check in the playlist. 8th problem. The angles of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter. Find the height of the tower from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. Here distance given 4 meters and 9 meters. Find the height of the tower. Look at the figure. This is the figure. Here height of the tower is AB, right here AB. This is C and this is D. This is the height of the tower. Let the height of the tower AB is equal H. Height of the tower क्या है हम लोग समझ रहे H समझ रहे. Distance between foot of the tower and point C BC is 4 meters. See a distance between foot of the tower and point C is 4 meters. Distance tower से लेकर C तक point C तक क्या है 4 meters. Distance ఈ టవర్ నుండి సి వరకు ఎంత ఉంది 4 మీటర్స్. నెక్స్ట్ డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ఫుట్ ఆఫ్ ద టవర్ టు పాయింట్ डी इज 9 मीटर्स. डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टावर बोल दो टावर से लेकर डी तक कितना डिस्टेंस है बोल तो 9 मीटर्स है. टावर నుండి डिस्टेंस डी వరకు ఎంత ఉందంటే 9 मीटर्स. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट सी हियर डिस्टेंस बिटवीन फुट ऑफ द टावर एंड पॉइंट डी BD is equal 9 meters. Now angle of elevation of the top of the tower at a point C is equal, we are taking theta. Angle of elevation of the top of the tower at point C is equal, what we will take? We will take theta is equals to theta. Next point, angle of elevation of top of the tower at a point D BD is equals to 90 minus theta, where these are complementary angles. See here, angle of elevation of the top of the tower at a point D is 90 minus theta. Now see once, this is a tower. From here point of observation here, from here onwards you are seeing the tower means some angle you will get. From here onwards you are seeing means some angle you will get. But these two angles are complementary. Here distance more than means angle will decrease. Distance decreases means angle will increase. Means suppose this is 60 degrees means this is what 90 minus 60 30. Therefore decreasing, no. Therefore here this we are taking theta. This angle we are taking 90 minus theta. Why? Because these two are complementary. एक टावर है, एक टावर को यहाँ से देखे तो एक एंगल आ रहा, इधर से देखे तो दूसरा एंगल आ रहा. दोनों एंगल को हम लोग एंगल्स नहीं मालूम, हम लोग को टावर की हाइट भी नहीं मालूम, मगर डिस्टेंस दिए यहाँ BC डिस्टेंस दिए BD डिस्टेंस दिए वहाँ पर. इसको టీటా समझ रहे हम लोग, इसको 90 మైనస్ టీటా समझ रहे. ఇక్కడ నుండి ఒక టవర్ను చూస్తున్నాం, ఇక్కడ నుంచి చూసినప్పుడు ఒక యాంగిల్ వస్తుంది టీటా అనుకుంటున్నాం, ఇక్కడ నుంచి చూసినప్పుడు ఒక యాంగిల్ వస్తుంది 90 మైనస్ టీటా అనుకుంటున్నాం. ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ 4 మీటర్స్ ఇచ్చిండు, ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ హైట్ 9 మీటర్స్ ఇచ్చిండు. ఈ హైట్ ఏందో కనుక్కోవాలి. నో బై టేకింగ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ABC ఐ ప్రూవ్ ఆఫ్టర్వర్డ్స్ ABD, where angle B is equals to 90 degrees. Here longest side is hypotenuse, whereas hypotenuse B side is called adjacent side, and other side is opposite side. Angle opposite side is called opposite side. Now we'll take tan theta. Tan theta is called opposite side by adjacent side. Tan theta is equals to opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. tan theta बोलते हैं opposite side by adjacent, tan theta అంటే opposite side by adjacent side, where tan theta is equals to Here tan theta is equal, opposite side means AB, opposite side is AB and adjacent side is BC. Opposite side is AB, opposite side is AB and adjacent side is BC, where tan theta is equals to here AB is equals to h, height of the tower, and BC is equal distance 4 meters. AB is equal to h. In the place of AB I am writing h, in the place of BC 4. AB place h, BC place 4. AB के place में h, BC के place में 4. Tan theta is equal to h by 4. This is equation 1. Now by taking triangle ABD I will prove, where AB is height of the tower h and distance between distance between the foot of the tower and up to point D is 9 meters. In a triangle ABD, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Now I will take this tan, I will take this longest side is hypotenuse B side is adjacent, opposite side just now I explained as same as it is, but here theta is 90 minus theta. Now here tan 90 minus theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Tan 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta is equals to opposite side. Here opposite side is AB, and adjacent side is BD, adjacent side BD. Tan 90 minus theta, where since tan 90 minus theta is equals to cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. In the place of tan 90 minus theta I will write cot theta. Cot theta is equals to AB. Here AB is equal to h, and BD is equals to 9. This is equation 2. Multiplying 192, multiply कर रहे हैं हम लोग 192 को मल्टीप्लाई చేస్తున్నాం 192 को we get with tan theta is equals to h by 4. We proved, tan theta is equal to h by 4 we proved. Now cot theta is equals to h by 9. We are multiplying LHS tan theta cot theta and RHS h by 4 into h by 9. We are multiplying tan theta into cot theta is equal 1 by tan theta. Cot theta is equal 1 by tan theta. Here tan get cancelled. H into h square by 4 into 9 36. Here 1 by 1 is equal 1 into h square by 36. By cross multiplication h square is equals to 36. 1 into h square 1 into 36 equal 36. Now h is equals to square root, you write that side, square root of 36, where h is equals to 6 meters. H is equal to 6 meters. This is one method. One more method will be, I will tell another method. This is another method. The problem is finished, but one more method I am telling. Here cot theta we are writing in terms of tan 1 by tan theta is equals to h by here 9 as it is we write, and by cross multiplication here here h into tan into h, tan theta into h is equals to 9. Tan theta into h is equals to 9, where h is equals to, we will find tan theta is equals to 9 by h. This is equation 2. From 192 we get here tan theta is equals to h by 4 proved above. Equation 1. In the place of tan theta, I'll write h by 4 RHS. Tan theta is equals to 9 by h. I am writing equation 2. In the place of this tan theta, once you see I'll write it, tan theta is equals to 9 by h. But tan theta is equal to what? H by 4. This total tan theta is equals to h by 4 I am writing in the place of tan. Now by cross multiply, h into h, h square is equals to 4 into 9, 36. Now h is equals to square root of 36. The square you write that side, square root. H is equals to 6 meters. Hence proved this is another method.